Zooming through the stunning landscapes of the Czech Republic on a motorcycle can be a thrill, but safety comes first. While enjoying the picturesque views, remember that speed limits exist for a reason. In urban areas, keep it under 50 kilometers per hour, and outside the city, don't exceed 90 kilometers per hour. The Czech Republic is a land of rich history, boasting architectural marvels dating back centuries. As you ride through, you'll find yourself surrounded by lush forests, towering castles, and quaint villages. It's not just about the ride, it's about the journey. So strap on your helmet, respect the rules, and lose yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the Czech Republic. Remember, the road is shared, and safety is everyone's responsibility. Keep it safe, keep it fun, loop in for more.